If you're seeing the message, "You left the conversation" in a group chat after upgrading to iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, especially in a mixed group with Android users, you're not alone. Here's exactly what fixed it. First, I signed out of the Apple account from the iPhone. Open the Settings app. Tap the Apple account name at the top. Scroll down and sign out. Choose the Sign Out option, but do not erase it. Instead, continue with that option. Again, continue with the option. Your Apple account will be removed from the device. Enter your Apple ID password, then confirm and sign out of the option. Next, I performed a hard reboot. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. After the phone restarted, I signed her back into her Apple account. Open the Settings app again. Tap Apple account and sign back in. Select the Sign in manually option and enter your Apple ID or phone number that you used to sign into this device earlier. Once she was signed in, your iPhone synced messages with iCloud. To enable and check it, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Apple account at the top. Scroll and tap iCloud. Under See All option, select Messages and Messages in iCloud and turn Sync on. Enable the toggle Use this iPhone toggle. After the sync finished, I opened the Messages app and tapped the menu in the upper right corner. At the bottom of that menu, tap Recently Deleted. Inside Recently Deleted, I found a message that had been deleted from that group chat before the issue started. I selected that message and tapped Recover. As soon as I did that, I watched in amazement as every missing message, image, and video suddenly appeared in the conversation. If you're wondering why I thought this would work, my guess is that this is an iCloud sync issue. The messages were probably being received, but they weren't displaying properly. It's unclear why it only affected one phone, but these steps proved effective for us. Additional fix: turn off RCS messaging. Another solution that works for me on my iPhone 17 Pro was disabling RCS messaging, so the conversation falls back to standard SMS. Open the Settings app. Scroll to the last option, Apps. Search for the Messages setting. Again, scroll a little bit more and tap RCS messaging. Then, turn the RCS toggle off. After turning off RCS, the group chat immediately started working again with both Android and iPhone users. That's it. If you encounter the "you left the conversation" bug after including an Android user in a group chat, please consider trying these steps. Good luck, and I hope the procedure works for you too. Any questions? Then comment below. Like this video to support me, and if you have any questions, then comment below.